Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply and get Tesco Clubcard. So first thing, you open your browser and then search for register Tesco Clubcard. Then you open the first website that said register my Tesco Clubcard. Then you should get into this page. So you just fill out your account details, email, address. Make sure to select I'd like to join Clubcard today. Then you just fill out your personal details, your email, your phone number, your address. And for marketing preferences, it's your choice to choose them or not. Then you just click create an account. And after that, you should be joining the Tesco Clubcard. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel.